Hello everyone, welcome back to this week's video. Today I'm going to introduce you guys to my new project. This is my new to me, 2019 Ford Transit Connect. It's going to be my vehicle that I'm going to use moving forward for road life. Let's take a look.
There's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.
Now, I recently sold my 4Runner for this van, and I think the van, because of all my health conditions, is going to be better for me in the long run. The van also is going to give me the ability to use my restroom facilities inside more protected. I'm going to miss the 4Runner because, of course, it was newer, it was built like a tank and all those things. But for my needs, I need more space on the inside right now. And that's why I got the van. So this van, I'm going to be able to do all the same things that I did with the 4Runner. Some of these projects, I'm going to be videoing them for these next few months. And you guys will come along with me while I build it out. But the roof rack, the storage on the roof rack, the water tank, all those things are coming to the van. The electrical system I had in my 4Runner, built by Red Arc, that's also going to be in the van. So I'm going to bring you guys along to build this out for my new road life. I'm going to build out this van very similar to the way I had it on the 4Runner, and I'm bringing you guys along with me for this build. So in next week's video, when I bring you guys back, we're going to start the first project, which is to sound deadening the van and to insulate the inside. I had the van for a little while before I got into an apartment to help out my mother a little bit, and I was able to sleep in it. The problem is, with no insulation, I was cooking, and I'm here in Florida in Titusville, and as soon as that sun peaks, it was just bone hot in this thing. So the first thing I definitely want to do is sound deadening and insulate the panels, and I'll bring you guys along for that next week. So I'm hoping to have the project done, and like I said, I'm going to document in the videos as we get through this together. I expect to be done sometime probably at the end of spring next year, like after the holidays. And then I hope you guys stay tuned to my channel. We'll go through some tips, tricks, the build, and the road life that we will be doing.
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe.
So on a quick note, I just want to thank all you guys for coming by, watching my videos. I'm excited to build a community and travel on the road with you guys. So thank you for coming by. Thank you for supporting by watching these videos. I hope you guys subscribe, stick along. I think this next year will be exciting and challenging at the same time. All right, I'll catch you guys next week.